Peppers Entertainment Television. Turn on the heat.
Peppers Plus. Vanakkam, Salam, Namaste. Now I'm your host Endo Sandhya and I welcome you all to another brand new episode of your favorite show Peppers Plus, where ella varmum na ungalakaga nariyana pudusa hottest ana coolest ana events happening all around the city bring to you, and along with that or super ana shopping destinations, your favorite places to shop around, your favorite places to eat around, everything on Peppers Plus. In the one again, we are back with some more interesting topics. So ladies and gentlemen, sit back and brace yourself as we are going to begin our show. Peppers Plus. Well friends, இன்னைக்கு நான் Peppers Plusல ஒரு சூப்பரான அவார்ட் செரமனி கொண்டு வந்திருக்கேன், which is the beautifully organized by Spring Med Spa, and they honored the wonderful personalities from different fields. Which celebrities got the award, which celebrities gave the awards, நம்ம பார்க்கலாம்.
இந்த அவார்டு வந்து எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமான ஒரு விஷயம். மூவியை பற்றின ஒரு பெரிய இம்பேக்டை ஏற்படுத்தினதே வந்து எனக்குள்ள பாக்யராஜ் சார் தான். அவர் சினிமாவில் வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் தான் அவர் ஒரு ரூட்லேயே போய் நைஸாக அசிஸ்டன்ட் டைரக்டர் ஆகி அப்புறம் எப்படி நடிகன் ஆகிறது, இதெல்லாம் நான் அவருடைய ரூட்டை போய் பிடிச்சது. ஸோ அவர் மூலமாக கிடைச்ச இந்த அவார்டு வந்து எனக்கு ரொம்ப மகிழ்ச்சி, ரொம்ப பெருமையான விஷயம். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Our next category is for the Social Transformer Award. Please put your hands together for Dr. Abhilasha.
எனக்கு இந்த அவார்ட் கொடுத்ததே வந்து இட் வாஸ் அ சர்ப்ரைஸ். திடீர்னு எனக்கு கால் பண்ணி சொன்னாங்க யூ பீன் நாமினேட்டட் அப்படின்னு. ஐ வாஸ் ரியலி ஹாப்பி. அவ்வளோ பெரிய சாதனை பண்ணேன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. பட் வித் ஆல் யுவர் சப்போர்ட் ஐ எம் ஷுர் ஐ ஜஸ்டிஃபை திஸ் அவார்ட் in near future.
Now moving on to our next award, and to do the honors I would like to call upon Dr. Manushya Puthiran to please join me on stage.
சோஷியல் ரிஃபார்ம் அப்படிங்கிறது ரொம்ப ஒரு பெரிய வார்த்தை. நம்ம நிறைய பேர் ஒவ்வொரு துளியாக சேர்ந்து உருவாக்குற ஒரு விஷயந்தான் சமூக மாற்றம். அது யாரோ ஒரு தனிநபரோ அல்லது ஒரு தனி இயக்கமோ செய்யக்கூடிய விஷயம் இல்லை. இந்த சமூகத்தை மாற்றுவது என்பதில் யாரோ சிலர் ரொம்ப பயணியராக இருந்து வழிகாட்டிக்கிட்டே இருக்காங்க. அப்படிப்பட்ட சிலரை தான் இன்னைக்கு இந்த அவார்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷனுக்கு வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா இன்வைட் பண்ணி கௌரவிக்கிறாங்க. இது எல்லாமே இன்னொருத்தருக்கு வெளிச்சமாக இருக்கக்கூடிய மெழுகுவர்த்திகளாக இருக்கக்கூடியவங்களை தான் இன்றைக்கி ஒரு கேண்டிலாக நம்ம இந்த ஸ்டேஜில் வந்து காட்டிகிட்டு இருக்காங்க. அந்த விதத்தில் இன்றைக்கி இந்த சோசியல் ரிஃபார்ம் அவார்டை நான் கொடுக்கறதுல ரொம்ப நான் மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகிறேன்.
We move on to our next award winner for the evening, also in the category of Social Transformer. Please put your hands together for Mr. Arun Krishnamurthy.
Good evening. My name is Arun Krishnamurthy. I represent the Environmentalist Foundation of India. We are people who are deeply hurt by the fact that conservation and environment conservation was just by the hit of a Facebook button. People thought we could save tigers. Deeply hurt by the fact that the Kosatalayar, Kuvam, Adayar, the three rivers of Chennai, or the 69 lakes of Chennai are nothing but dump yards. We always kept waiting for that somebody to do something. That somebody never came until we became that somebody. We've started cleaning these lakes. If any one of you is interested in volunteering with us, every Sunday morning, 7 o'clock to 11 o'clock, these hands that are applauding now could be used to remove some garbage from those very same lake. Because these lakes are home to 39 different species of birds, 13 different species of snakes, and a lot more. It's a beautiful Chennai with a very few little dirty Chennaites. I'm looking for some truly beautiful Chennaites with whom we can volunteer. Jai Hind.
Our next category is also an award that goes to a person of courage. So please keep the applause going as you put your hands together for cardiovascular and thoracic surgeon Dr. P.S. Srimati.
When I stand here and understand that Envisage has awarded this, I wonder what envisaged to give this award to me. I do not know whether I deserve it, but I am honored by it. There are very few people who stop thinking about themselves and try to think of others. It is not individuals. ஒரு தனி மனுஷனால ஒண்ணுத்தையுமே பண்ண முடியாது. It's only people together who can make it. Sky is the limit. Thank you.
Our next awards are for the ability, in the category of ability.
Let me at the very outset thank the organizers for having invited me and honored me at this function. You have not only elated me, but physically elevated me by asking me to climb the few steps so that I can look down upon this wonderful audience. Cosmetology over the years has developed so wonderfully. It is going to develop still further. Thank you.
எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்ச ஒரு சேயிங் அன்னைக்கு ஒன்று படித்தேன். என்னன்னா, அந்த உலகத்தில் யார் தான் பாவம் செய்யாதவங்க, கடவுள் கூட பாவம் செஞ்சால்தான் அவர் தானே இந்த உலகத்தை படைச்சாரு அப்படின்னு எழுதியிருந்தாங்க. அது நான் யோசிச்சு பார்ப்பேன், ஏன்டா அப்படி எழுதியிருக்காங்க. அது உண்மைதான். என்னென்னா, நம்ம உழைச்சி அந்த உழைப்பில் வர்ற காசில் தான் நம்ம சாப்பிட்டா தான் நமக்கு ஜீரணம் ஆகும். இல்லைன்னா அஜீரணம் ஆயிரும்னு சொன்னோம்னா உலகத்தில் எவனுமே அடுத்தவங்க காசுப்பட மாட்டான். அப்புறம் அஜீரணம் ஆகும்போது பிரயோஜனமே இல்லையா, நம்ம வேலை பார்த்து தானே ஆகணும்னு. ஸோ கடவுள் ஏன்டா அப்படி படைக்கலன்னு நினைப்போம். இங்கே சில பேர்தெல்லாம் பார்க்கும்போது எனக்கு அவங்கெல்லாம் நல்லா இருக்கவங்க கூட கொஞ்சம் செய்கிறதுக்கு யோசிக்கிற காரியத்தை அவங்கெல்லாம் செய்கிறதுக்காக இது பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது எனக்கு அவங்களெல்லாம் பார்க்கும்போது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருந்தது. அதனால் அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு சூழலில் இன்றைக்கி இந்த ஃபங்க்ஷனுக்கு வந்திருக்கோம். ஸோ இது நடத்துகிற ஸ்ப்ரிங் மென்ஸ்பா இவங்களுடைய இது ரொம்ப டச்சிங்காக இருந்து அவங்களுக்கு என்னுடைய வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவிச்சுக்கிறேன்.
Well friends, நம்ம ஒரு சூப்பரான award ceremony பார்த்தோம். இன்னொரு நிறைய விஷயம் இருக்கா to discuss. Well friends, after the சூப்பரான award ceremony, I'm feeling kind of hungry. So let's go and see what Pucha is doing and what is he bringing from the Southern Chinese restaurant from Anna Nagar.
So Anthony, we've got the starters here in front of us. We have the soup, we have the baby corn.
Chili baby corn.
Chili baby corn. And what is this, Anthony?
This is a starter platter.
Okay. Comprised of?
It's got steamed momos.
This
then,
one?
Yeah, steamed dumplings.
Okay.
Then this is the fried dumplings.
Okay.
Then we have a chicken spring roll and the chicken wonton.
Right. Now I want to ask you, Chang. I mean, you got the dumpling here, you got the spring roll here. What's the difference between a dumpling and a wonton, though? I mean, I thought that they were the same thing.
No, basically the skin is thinner for a wonton.
Okay,
That's the only difference. And of course, there's more filling in the dumpling.
Right. So you could say that like they're brothers, Anna Thambi.
Yes, that's right.
In a way.
Wonton is a little Thambi.
Okay, so he's the fat guy, he's the skinny guy.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. And what sauce do we have with that, Chang?
This is our garlic sauce.
Okay.
It's a little sweeter.
Right.
It's not too spicy. Like some of our customers don't like it too spicy.
Obviously.
And this is a chili sauce.
Right. And what do you put in that sauce to give it that flavor, Chang? Because it's so evident. Because I mean, Indian culture being a culture where we have a big appreciation for chutney and sauces and pickle, right? Whenever we make our sauces, it tastes completely different from these sauces. I mean, the taste, the whole experience is so far apart from our sauces. What factors into that sauce, Chang? What's the difference, though?
Well, one thing I know living in India is that people love chili. They love spices.
Absolutely.
So what we did with this chili sauce, we just killed it with the chili.
Right. It's one of those really things based on the red chili.
Yes,
right?
it's just red chili. We've got red chili, vinegar, the lime, and sugar.
Now moving on to the soup. What soup is this, though?
This is our Southern Special Chicken Soup.
Okay.
And basically, it looks similar to a hot and sour soup.
Yes, it reminded me of that.
Yeah, but
okay.
it's not as spicy as the hot and sour soup. Because this is the one where it has grass noodles in it, something special. It's very different. You don't get this in any other restaurant.
Absolutely.
It's
I
very
mean,
unique.
it tastes really nice. And I just had a small sip of it. It's got that really rich flavor. I mean, it's very rare to see good, rich Chinese soups because Chinese soups in general are very, very flat and thin and very, very, what do you say, liquidy in a way. This is nice and thick. It's got that substance to it. It's got a lot of taste behind it. The soya is very rich. It's got that nice soya taste.
That's right.
And talk to me about the corn, Chang. What's unique about the corn?
The baby corn?
Yes.
Well, it's actually this chili base is used for most of our dishes. Like we've got chili chicken, we've got chili prawns, we've got chili lamb too.
Absolutely.
But this is the baby corn, and a lot of vegetarians love this dish.
Right.
Even the non-vegetarians too.
Right. You don't have to be what do you say,
that's
a
right.
diplomat over that side. But yeah, you want to give the vegetarians a taste of what the non-veg food is all about.
That's right.
And this is a very, very good
something similar
substitute.
Yeah, that's right. It's a substitute.
I mean, baby corn is so much in right now, Chang, in terms of, healthy food, in terms of brain food. So when you're talking about authentic Chinese food, is that a small, or wouldn't say a small, but is that a scope for vegetarians to enjoy their meals? I mean, do you have a lot of vegetarians who visit your restaurant?
Yes, we do. We actually do have quite a few vegetarians, and this is one of the dishes that they order the most. And we've got other dishes too, a lot of other dishes. Like we have crispy fried vegetables.
Okay.
Basically, it's a mix of all diced vegetables and
pan fried with some nice, what do you say?
Not exactly pan fried. It's basically it's actually deep fried, and then we sauce it up.
Nice. So you give it that nice Asian flavor behind
That's right.
it.
Yes.
Awesome. Sounds good, Shang. It sounds like a really good dish. And the corn was fabulous, Shang. I think the whole texture that plays into it is very nice. Inside it's nice and crispy, and outside you've got that small batter coating, which gives you that soft taste on it.
Yes, that's right.
Very nice.
Crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside.
That's what we all like, And we've got the dumplings last but not the least. We've never tried this though. I mean, dumplings is like the samosa of the Orient, right, Shang? It's like one of those finger food things you just have to eat a lot. Is the spring roll also the same way though?
Yeah, it is kind of the same. Yeah.
I mean,
but then, of course, it's got its own style. And let's see which one you like best.
What do you recommend the dumplings with, Chang? Do you say chicken, mutton, pork? What's better with the dumpling?
Pork would be good.
Yeah.
But then.
Do you serve pork here in the
No, we
restaurant?
don't.
Unfortunately. Yeah, so, do I get prawns in this though?
Yes, we actually do have prawns. Then we have a vegetable substitute also for this. For all of them actually, the wonton, the dumplings and the spring roll.
Awesome. Well guys, for a starter, I think it's a very good peek into what you're going to expect here at the restaurant because it gives you a small insight, a small teaser in terms of what kind of flavors they play with. And from my experience, based on what my knowledge on Chinese food is all about, it tells me that their flavors is something that they've garnished from home and it's giving you that authentic taste. Not in terms of authentic from China, made by a Chinese person, but in fact, it's one of those home recipes that have been nurtured in an environment that has got a very, very commercial appeal to it. So for that, Chang, I think you guys are leagues apart from your competition.
After looking at those mouth-watering dishes, I am definitely hungry. Well, ladies and gentlemen, every week, every episode, we bring to you the glamorous fashion walk that happens all around the city. And this time also recently a fashion show happened in which the models wore the beautiful ethnic, traditional and western clothes. So let's go and find out what the models wore and how the fashion walk was. sad note, we have finally come to an end of our today's show. Well, I hope all of you liked our today's show. We brought to you the wonderful fashion walk along with the delicious food at the Southern Chinese restaurant in Annanagar. And along with that, a wonderful award ceremony which was hosted by the Spring Med Spa. All of you liked our today's show, then go on to www.facebook.com/peppers and share your views, because your feedback and comments are very important to us. Come back next week for some more interesting topic. Till then, this is your host Indo Sandhya signing off.
Peppers Plus.